Unboxing. Hey guys, so today we will be unboxing. Papel na naman yan siya. Nagupit ko na. Sorry. PC ni Ming Hao! Ang tagal ko nang hindi bumibili ng PC. As in, last PC ko pa ata is 2023, 2022. Pinaka-latest na PC natin ay galing sa 17 right here. Concert. Ay! Nabunot ko ng si Mingyu. I traded my Mingyu PC to Jun. Alam mo, ang hirap kasi neto ni Jun eh. Kailangan talagang sunduin. Naman lang umuwi ng kusa. Anyways, ito na guys. As you can see, this is from, we'll check ko lang kasi baka mamali ako no, nang sinasabi. Siyempre, no to fake news tayo. This is from at Hyom Aju, Hyom_Aju. Dalawang U yung dulo. So, thank you so much, Nicole. Tara, buksan na natin. Ito na siya. Ayan. Ay! May notes. Hoarder kaya ako ng mga notes. Meron ako ditong isang box na puro lang notes galing from my trusted sellers, of course. Lumilitaw si Jun. Ang OA! So, ang nakalagay niya dito, Hi at Huintaro. Thank you so much for claiming this Sunhao PCs. I hope this order makes your day and please do tag me via #AjuThankYou. Love, Hyom Aju. Thank you so much, Hyom Aju. Alam mo, you're the best. Guys, never separate Jun and Minghao. Yun lang ang masasabi ko. Don't separate them. They are a set. So, lalin na natin. The moments of truth. Alam mo, sobrang na-appreciate ko yung mga sellers na ganun. Yung parang super accommodating nila. And then, lahat ng inquiries mo, nasagot nila. So, dun pa lang, dun mo malalaman na trusted to. Nakakatawa nga eh, kasi Minghao and Jun dapat yung bibilhin ko. Pero ayun, since Nix reached out to me naman, sabi ko, sige, Gina yung Minghao. Get ko na siya. Guys, first time ko na naman magkaroon ng spark kasi sa PC. Hindi naman ako masyadong active nung era ng Spill the Feels. Transition ko yun from a college student to working. So I was like, okay, I need to focus first on myself. Kakaroon ako ng mga interviews that time. So I wasn't really active and I didn't know about the PCs back then. Pero yeah, ayan na siya. Also, I bought, siyempre, parang hindi sayang ang shipping fee. I also bought a Hoshi. Sobrang lakas ng spark sa akin ni Hoshi ngayon. Guys, tulungan nyo naman ako. Annyeongha! Mag-ipon tayo, no? Of course, guys, please buy responsibly. Huwag po yung puro tayo bili ng kada labas ng 17, bumibili tayo. Okay lang naman kung may pera ka, pero kung kailangan mong mag-ipon, it's okay. Take your time, especially sa mga students dyan. Ako din naman nung student pa ako, I usually take my time in like gathering yung money. Of course, ang una kong gagawin is to canvas kung magkano ba, kung may prayo ba talaga ako or may sparks. Yon guys, sundin nyo ang sparks. Sparks ang sundin para makapag-ipon. Okay lang, but as long as you have the money, you have the resources to buy it, then go. Pero if kaalangan ka, like, kailangan nating unahin po ang mga necessity bago tayo bumili po ng luxury, kumbaga. Siyempre, luxury na to eh. It's considered as luxury. Kagaya nga ng sabi ni Ming, mag-print na lang daw tayo. Hindi ko naman ma-print to, ang pogi oh. Yun lang. Again, thank you so much for coming today. Annyeong! Thank you so much, Nix! Bye!